Hi friends, welcome back to Keto with Libby. I am Libby and today we are going to be making a keto broccoli salad. Summer is right around the corner and this salad will go well with any cookout or barbecue you are having. We had this a couple of weeks ago when the weather started to get nice, and it's super simple and it tastes amazing. So let's jump into it. All right, so there are a few things to prepare for this, and the thing that takes me the longest is cutting up 5 cups of broccoli. You can buy this pre-cut up, but it was just so much more expensive than just buying the stalks of broccoli and cutting them up myself. It just took a little bit of time, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. And then I recommend using microwave bacon because that saves you a lot of time on making bacon. I'm using this Black Label. It literally goes in for 30 seconds and then it's nice and crispy, and then you just chop it up and throw it into this salad. So those are really the only 2 prep things that you need to do. So since my broccoli is already cut up, I'm going to throw this bacon onto a microwave safe plate and throw it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. All right, all of our prep work is done. All that is left is to make the dressing and then assemble everything together. So we're gonna do 1 cup of mayonnaise. I use Duke's mayonnaise. You can use whatever you prefer. Then we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. That's 1. That's 2. And then you can use a granulated or a powdered sweetener, but I found that this Splenda stevia liquid worked really well, and it does have really good ingredients. It doesn't have any added like maltodextrin or dextrose or anything like that. And I just did a good, probably half a squeeze, and then I of course tasted it. But if you use powdered sweetener, it is 3 teaspoons. And then we'll mix this together. Now let's add some salt. And pepper. Oops. We're just going to give this a taste and adjust as we need to. That's perfect. I did add just a tiny splash of this just because it wasn't sweet enough, but then adding in that salt and pepper really helps too. All right, next let's add in our cheese, which is a ½ cup of shredded cheddar. And then the slices of bacon. I just used the whole package because bacon's never gonna hurt anything. And then the nuts that I chose to use are pecans. So I'm just adding in about 1.5 ounces. You can use whatever nuts you prefer. Some people do macadamia nuts or walnuts. And then I'm just gonna mix this together so that all of these ingredients get well combined before we add in the broccoli. And there you go. All right, guys, I have a little bit of the salad here. I would recommend if you are taking this to a barbecue or a cookout, do it the night before, just so it has time to sit in the refrigerator and let all the flavors really come together. But it's still good, fresh anyways. So here's what it looks like. That is absolutely delicious. The dressing is sweet, just like the regular broccoli salad. The bacon and the cheese, it all just works so well together. And it's super easy, guys. This takes no time at all. And it'll be a fan favorite for sure. My whole family loved it. We ate a whole batch of this in one sitting. So I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. I loved it, and you will this summer too. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. This was 3 stalks of broccoli. Is it stalks? Are broccoli stalks? I don't either. 3 heads? Would heads make more sense? Huh. Anyways. Oh god. My phone fell. It's the end of the world.